Zoom in on the battery array. The AI optimization streamlined the placement.
Confirmed. Finalize the blueprint and let's send it to the fabrication unit.
The reinforcement around the camera module looks solid now.
Yes, that should pass the drop test simulation.
We need to reinforce these weak points before finalizing the design.
The AI suggests adjusting the polymer density.
The glass panels move through our controlled environment, where we enhance their strength, clarity, and scratch resistance.
Laser-guided robots align micropixels with extreme accuracy. This process ensures uniform brightness and flawless display consistency. AI color calibration systems adjust the display for true-to-life tones. White balance, HDR performance, and color depth are perfected. Multi-layer logic boards are fabricated with microscopic circuit pathways. Robotic soldering installs the processor, RAM, and storage modules.
AI inspection systems scan every solder joint. Electrical integrity and signal accuracy are verified. The battery is sealed into a protective enclosure designed to prevent swelling and overheating.
Buttons and the Taptic engine are manufactured. Each component is designed for precise tactile feedback.
The display is bonded to the frame using vacuum lamination. A perfect seal prevents air gaps and dust. Water resistance tests confirm protection against splashes and submersion.
Battery efficiency tests measure screen-on time and charging speed. Testing 1, 2, 3. Microphone clarity check.
Temperature stable at -20. Device secured.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Ready to seal the bay.